Armored power cables. Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility, where high-performance armored power cables are born. From precision copper wire drawing to triple-layer insulation, every step is engineered for safety and durability. The armored layer, made from galvanized steel tape-on-wire, provides exceptional mechanical protection, ideal for harsh environments. Advanced extrusion and strict quality testing ensure each cable meets international standards, designed for underground, industrial, and high-risk installations. Our armored cables deliver reliable power where it matters. Most strength, safety, stability. That is our commitment.